Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I have some mystery packages from CRZ Yoga. We're gonna find out what's in them together. I've been working with CRZ Yoga for a few months now, maybe even like up to a year, I'm not even sure. I love them so much. I especially love their Butterluxe leggings and their winter leggings I can't stop wearing. So I think we might have some tops. This is one of their workout long sleeve tops. I think that might be what we have in here, but honestly, I don't know. So let's dig in together. Let's dig right in. I love surprises so much. This is so exciting. I used to subscribe to all these beauty boxes, but I had to cancel them because I really don't wear that much makeup and it was ridiculous. But this is fulfilling that need. Okay, well, obviously they know me well. By the way, if you like anything in this video, you can actually save 10% off at CRZ Yoga's website with the code Jess Kaplan. So check that out, but let's just get into our first piece. Well, we already know that I like the color because I'm wearing purple. This is one of their Pima cotton tops. So it's like a cropped long sleeve workout top. The fabric is really nice and soft. It is you can kind of see light through it. So I don't want to say it's see-through by any means, but it's light. So if you want kind of that pump cover idea, just a little something to throw on while you're warming up for your workout, I could definitely see this being really cute. Then we have another one here. Oh my gosh, these are leggings. Yes, I didn't know if I was getting leggings or not. Oh, look. Oh, look. I already know I love these. These are their faux leather. They're a little bit shiny. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you while I'm doing this. These are so stretchy. I could see these being amazing for the gym, for just athleisure, just to wear out and about. I'm so excited. I really thought these were all gonna be tops, so now I'm really pumped. This is another Pima cotton, but this is just a more standard long sleeve. I feel like the other one was definitely boxier in the medium. I'm hoping the medium fits okay. That looks wide enough. I was a little nervous, but I think that should be fine. And then we have this one. What do we have here? Another cropped long sleeve. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I don't think I have anything like that. That's really cute. So definitely these are going to be way more oversized versus the full length is going to be more true to size. And I have one more package here. So let's dig into this one. And I believe we have a tank top. Yes. So this is their Pima cotton crop tank deep armhole. So if you really want to show off that sports bra. I love the leggings so much. I can already tell. I could see myself wearing these, especially on my active rest days where I do my walks and stuff, because they're just so comfy, but they're so cute at the same time. And I'm wearing it with one of my favorite bras by them. And this one, I remember when it came, I was worried about the wide set straps, but I wear it all the time. And one of the things I love about it is I actually step into it. If you're someone that you don't like to wrestle with a bra going over your head, this one is absolutely perfect because you don't have to. I literally step into it to put it on. It is so comfy. I'm already dreaming of wearing this. I planned my outfits for the week already, so maybe next week. I just wanted to come a little closer so you could see the shine on the fabric. It does have a front seam if that bothers you, but I don't really mind front seams that much. And then the back is cute. You've got your little logo. They're kind of 7/8 length, which is my absolute favorite length. And I did go with mediums for everything. So they say it's an 8 to a 10, which I think is accurate. Even when I was more of a 6 to 8, I still wore medium. They're super stretchy, so you have a lot of stretch to work with. So, depending what works for you. Let's try those tops. This tank is super light and airy. You do have the lower armholes, so you can show off that sports bra. If you had something with a pattern, that would be really cute. It's not super athletic looking. You could definitely wear it to the gym, but I also could picture myself, this would be the type of tank I would bring on vacation to like do double duty, where you could just wear it with a cute pair of shorts out and about town and feel really cute. I think it's just like a really nice, easy staple. Here is the cropped long sleeve in this really pretty blue color. I'm loving this blue on so much. And it's hitting a little bit longer than I thought. I thought that I would have like skin exposed, but I'm really glad I don't. I feel like this would be great if you want to, again, wear something to warm up at the gym, but then also like after the gym, if you're running errands or something, you're not going to feel like super exposed. So it'd be easy to throw right on. And it's very, very light. It feels really, really comfortable and soft. I'm just loving this blue though. And then this purple is so pretty. I just love it. I love the length of the shirt. I'm so happy with it. I actually think it looks kind of cute with these black leggings, but again, really breathable, really comfortable. I did end up receiving a couple more items. This Pima cotton short sleeve shirt, it's definitely oversized in my size medium. But the sleeves, again, kind of like the pink, are just like a little bit tight. I would probably tie it up or something, but it's just light and blousey and the fabric feels really nice. They also sent these cross-waist leggings, which I feel like a lot of brands are doing right now, and I'm here for it. I think they're super flattering. I love this blue color. I think it's beautiful. So you have the crisscross waist, which just snatches everything in. And then the back, I would really like to see maybe there's like a little bit more of a V there, but overall I think it's flattering. The material is so soft. It's their Butterluxe fabric, which I absolutely love. And I love that there's no belly dig in. And then you've got kind of like a 7/8 length, but they do come in different lengths, so you can pick. If you're tall, there are options, which I really love. And finally, they sent this like lavender, lilac, beautiful purple color, which is absolutely gorgeous for spring. I think the color palette for this whole spring line is just gorgeous. And again, nice 7/8 length on me, super comfy. I really would love to wear these for like my active rest days, taking a walk, doing some yoga, anything like that. These would be absolutely perfect. And here's the last one, another really pretty color. And this one, I think, fits well through the body. The arms are just like a little bit tight maybe, but the body is nice and blousey, so that's good. So I would definitely make sure to wash this cold and then just hang it dry is probably the best. So thank you to CRZ Yoga for sending these pieces my way to try for you. It was such a fun little surprise haul. I really enjoyed it. I will have my discount code, Jess Kaplan, and my link down below if you want to use it. And if you do, thank you so, so much. It really helps support my channel. And I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.